My name is Ryan. I'm a photographer and filmmaker from the UK. This December, I quit my job to pursue a new goal, to have the most exciting adventures, meet the coolest people, and prove that you can do the same if you wish. Armed with a camera, surfboard, and one-way ticket, the road ahead is sure to be a wild ride. Follow along as the adventure unfolds. So it's another day and another adventure in Puerto Rico here. Everyone's just packing up all their equipment, all their kiteboarding gear, surfing stuff. We're gonna go to Ocean Beach in San Juan. We rented a big minivan. We're gonna load that thing up. We're gonna go kiteboarding, have a session in the evening, and then go and get some food and drinks and just enjoy this weekend. It's gonna be insane.
We're going to a spot called Pinones. Real shallow, not a lot of space. Really cool looking. And then get sunset at the biggest tourist area. Put on a little bit of a show. It'll be a good time.
We got so many beers we got stuff in there. This is not cool. This is cool, not cool.
It's the best breakfast ever.
Very professional cleaning of the drone right now. We're gonna do a little drone shot. Some people like snaking down this flat water run. I'm gonna get the shot. Your Ryan Osmond, at Ryan Osmond, is going to be riding. Okay, he doesn't get to ride very often. And we're gonna get a drone right behind him, going through the slicks.
So we had a pretty sick session in Pinones. Now we are at the Airbnb. This place is pretty sick.
Looking drink cooler for the day. You got your gasolinas, your medallas, and your rum.
Yo, that's the Jen will beat leader in shotgun race.
You don't get any of that.
$100 says Jen wins.
Nothing like a good shotgun to wake you up in the morning.
Abajo, al centro, al carajo. Oh my God, you did it! Yeah! Nice! Nailed it.
How do you feel about your losing experience?
Fuck off.